Hello everyone. In this video, I will show how to use text effects on iPhone iOS 18. To get started, open a chat and type your message. I'm gonna write a message to a friend, and let's say I want to apply an effect to the whole sentence. Once you've written your message, highlight the word or sentence you want to add the effect to. At the bottom, you'll see a menu pop up. Since we're using iOS 18, you'll notice a new option called Text Effects. Tap on it, and a menu will appear, giving you a variety of effects to choose from. For this example, I'm going to select the shake effect. Once selected, I'll send the message. As you can see, the text has a cool shaking animation. The recipient will also see the effect when they receive your message. These new text effects are available on iOS 18 and newer, so make sure you've updated your iPhone to the latest version. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.